Is it going? Okay, it is. Okay, Zoe. So, here's my question. Okay. Zoe, do you remember who came last night?
Here?
Yeah, who came here last night on Christmas Eve?
Grandpa.
Grandpa?
No.
Who was it?
Nana?
No. Who's the person that comes and brings you things on Christmas Eve?
Oh, who belongs on Christmas Eve? He has a hat and he has a mustache.
Yeah, what's his name?
He brings some presents.
He brings presents. What's his name?
Santa Claus.
Do you maybe want to go see if he brought any presents to you?
Yeah.
Okay, we're coming.
Coming.
Is everybody ready? Did everybody hear me? Okay. Well, this is kind of just...
You waited. That's cute. What happened?
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yeah, it's going down in time.
Okay,
This thing's moving.
Zoe.
Cool.
There's big presents and little presents and...
Wow. Wait, did he bring you a dress to wear on Christmas too?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, look so cute.
I can't believe it. Do you want to see what's in your stocking?
Yeah.
That's your stocking right there.
Who's that?
Applejack.
Did Santa know that Applejack was your favorite?
Yeah.
How did he know that?
Hey, you're dressed up as... She's dressed up as Santa Claus. I mean...
This isn't exactly a Santa hat. It's more of a Christmas tree hat.
This thing seems like it's zoomed in again.
Oh.
I was doing this on Easter too.
Can you switch
You
it?
got Applejack stuff?
This is wormy.
Who's that?
I guess not.
Ooh, it's from Bubble Guppies.
No, you're zoomed out all the way.
It's some bubble gum.
Again?
Bubble guppies? What is a bubble guppy?
It's on Nickelodeon. Nickelodeon.
And he,